Thank you for joining in, and for today's video we're just going to jump right into it. I have a lot to show here from Ferris wheel press. I'm going to do a bunch of ink swatches as well as giving a little bit of information if you don't know anything about Ferris wheel press or their inks. First up we have here Catnip Cafe, which is a really pretty green. All of their bottles are made of glass here, so just be gentle with them. And they have their logo on front there, as well as the color swatch on the back. Their packaging is really pretty. That's one thing that I love about this company. There's cute little designs on all of the boxes. Very detail oriented there. Some of the darker colors I am going to make a swatch here and then add some water below so it will get a little bit lighter so you can see the color better and just see different variations as well. Because these are fountain pen inks, there's a few different lines. This green, the Catnip Cafe. This is one of their fountain pen inks. This one is water-based, rich and saturated, compatible with all fountain pens. They're dip pens, and I like to use mine with paintbrushes as well, my paintings. Some of their inks have a really nice shimmer. Another shade of like a bluish green here. This one is Tunes of Tinseltown. This is a really nice dark green. I would say it's almost like a dark hooker's green, and then there's a little bit of shimmer to it, which is really pretty. Sometimes you have to wait for your inks to dry before you see the shimmer. I'm going to show a lot of different video footage, like up close, and photos as well, so you can see the difference. This one is Festival Grove. This is a really pretty, like a light olive green. You can see the shimmer there down bottom. Make sure you shake it really well. And the smaller boxes, this one is part of the Fairy Tales collection. So the bottles are a little bit smaller here. Again, this particular one is Sprouting Pastures. I'm going to shake it up a little bit because it has a shimmer. And on the Fairy Tales, the packaging, it does have the base is green, your sheen, whether or not there is one, the shimmer is brown, shading is medium. So there's different information on this packaging, which is really nice. And this particular one you can pair with broad nibs, dip pens. So make sure you read, because different inks are, I think some are a little bit thicker than others, just so you don't want to clog up one of your little pens. These ones here are different as well. This color is Perm Pistachio, and this is their Professional Calligraphy ink. The top is a little bit thicker here. You just pull it off, your little rubber protection, and you can see how it's nice and opaque there. These are premium quality, waterproof, smudge resistant, durable, and light fast. I'm going to squeeze it in here on the bottom. And going back to the Fairy Tale collection, this one is Knitted Nettle. This is one of the first ones that I got from Ferris Wheel Press. And right here, I wanted to show like a bigger example with actual artwork. So that was a very deep, like a bluish green, and then as you move it, you can see the pink shimmer, which is really, really pretty. Pinkish gold. And back to our other inks. So these were the larger bottles. And this color is really pretty. Mechanics of the Stars. This is like a really bright turquoise. So if you're a big fan of blue, and moving right along, we have the Blue Revelry. So this is a darker blue, and then it has a really pretty blue shimmer on top there when it dries. And this one is Astral Blue Odyssey. So this is, I would say, comparable to like a really pretty ultramarine blue. And that swatch came out pretty dark, so I'm going to add a little bit of water here just so you can see the color a little bit better. And here we have Cobalt Estates, which is another darker blue, and then Porcelain Past, which I almost thought that that one was a gray, but it's actually a light blue, and then when it dries it has a nice pink cast to it. So we're going to swatch out the darker blue first here. And this one is another one of the professional calligraphy inks, so the more opaque ones. This is Ultramarina. This is like a really, it's a really pretty blue. It almost has like a little tint of purple in it, kind of like a periwinkle. And back to the Fairy Tales collection here. This one is Starlit Stories. So we have another pretty dark blue, and then when it dries, it has a nice pink sparkle on top. And here we have more calligraphy ink. This one was Feathers and Fringe, and it's a nice white. So depending on what type of artwork you like to do, or if you're someone who likes to write on colored paper, this would be really cool. Something a bit different. And I'm going to show you swatches on the white and black paper for this one. And another little bottle here. This is the last one I have from the calligraphy ink. This is really pretty. Time Worn Treasures. This is like a really nice brown, like a dark brown bronze. And This one you can actually see it immediately, like the little sparkles. And here, some of them are still drying, but I just wanted to show close-ups so you can see those sparkles there. And I'm going to include the regular photos as well. So you can see the blue ones there, gold, and that knitted nettlehead pink. There's some gold on the green, the lighter greens too. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and stick around because I have a lot more coming. I just couldn't fit everything into one video. And yeah, so if you are interested in any of these inks, you can leave a comment down below. I do have a discount code for anybody who's interested that I will leave in the description as well. You can receive 10% off your order. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.